What if I told you there was a way to get free Bitcoin on every single purchase you make? Completely free, no strings attached. And what if I also told you that this free Bitcoin could potentially be worth tens of thousands of dollars over time? Well, it's not a pipe dream, it's actually a reality thanks to a website called Lolli.com. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can get free Bitcoin on every purchase you make and why you should definitely take advantage of this unique opportunity. Let's get started. So the way it works is really simple. You install the Lolli browser extension, or you can also use their mobile app and then you shop at any of their partner stores. There are thousands of stores in their network, including major retailers and brands like Target, Walmart, Macy's, Adidas, Nike, Sephora, and so much more. So basically, you're shopping as you normally would, but with the Lolli extension installed. You'll see a little pop-up that says you can earn Bitcoin back on your purchase. All you have to do is click Activate Reward and that's it. You've earned Bitcoin on your purchase, it's that simple. And the best part is you can earn a lot of Bitcoin. You can earn up to 30% back on your purchases in Bitcoin. And over time, these sats, which are the smallest unit of Bitcoin, add up to a lot. Now, obviously, the value of Bitcoin does fluctuate, so the value of these sats will go up and down. But the more you buy, the more you'll have, and the more you'll have, the more you'll be able to do with it. Plus, you can also check out their site to see all the different stores that are currently offering Bitcoin back. So why is this important? Why should you care about stacking sats? Because since Bitcoin is scarce and its price is determined by supply and demand, getting more Bitcoin now when it's relatively easy is a great idea. In fact, if you just got $100 worth of Bitcoin a month ago, you'd be up like 200%. That's life-changing money right there. So these sats may not seem like much today, but over time, they can really add up and potentially be worth a lot of money. So why is earning Bitcoin better than earning airline miles or cashback? Well, think about it. Cashback is great, but you're only getting a small percentage back on your purchases, usually between 1 and 5%. With Lolli, you can get up to 30% back in Bitcoin. That's 10 times more than what you'd earn with cashback. Plus, with Bitcoin, you have something that has historically held its value over time, unlike the devaluing US dollar. And if you ever want to cash out your Bitcoin, you can easily do so by withdrawing it to your own wallet. Now, another great thing about Lolli is that it is super easy to use and it is also very secure. They take your security very seriously and use the latest encryption to protect your data and your Bitcoin. And the withdrawal process is also very simple. You can withdraw your Bitcoin to your own wallet with just a few clicks. So overall, Lolli is a fantastic way to get free Bitcoin on every purchase you make. It's a great way to stack sats and build up your Bitcoin balance over time. And it's also a fun way to earn rewards for shopping as you normally would. So if you haven't already, I highly recommend checking it out. Thanks for watching.